Hello guys, welcome back to new video. Microsoft PDF Reader free download. Microsoft PDF Reader free download. In this video I will full show you with all anything to get free PDF Reader, free PDF Reader download. Enter Microsoft download, Microsoft Windows 10 and mobile tab free PDF Reader download. Free PDF Reader download last version. PDF Reader download free last version. Latest version PDF download for Reader Windows 10. PDF Reader Windows 10 downloads and PDF Reader for Windows 10 version. PDF Reader for Windows 10 version. A simple PDF reader file. PDF render. PDF Reader for the Windows 7 download. Windows free. Acrobat download Adobe Reader DC free latest version download free PDF Reader latest version. You can download $30 Microsoft PDF Manager. I will show you next page. Adobe Acrobat Reader. What is the Adobe Acrobat Reader? The best PDF Reader Adobe Acrobat Reader. Viewer for Acrobat Reader. Adobe Acrobat Reader installed all version. Acrobat Reader is 5 needed and applications. Adobe Acrobat Reader 3DC download version. Adobe Acrobat and critical box popular Acrobat PDF Reader complete PDF Reader into the one document window in the My Mac. Here how download about Acrobat Reader 2020. Adobe Acrobat Reader Wikipedia. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Adobe Acrobat PDF Reader free to download. Adobe Acrobat is online. Adobe Acrobat standard PDF and latest version 10. I hope you understand friends in this video, and you will get I will recommend you this free download software Adobe Acrobat Reader free download and enjoy your life.